there's so many ways to just color grade your footage, but there is something different. I'm going to show you how to use the curves, and it's very important that you learn the curves because it gives you more cinematic look, and that's something that's going to guide you most. So okay, so I just want to use this image to show you everything. So first, when you just drop your image, just come to the side and just give the adjustments and drag it to the top here. So when you drop it to the top here, move to the color, the luminal, the luminal color, then you just click on the curves. Here is very important. When you just click, just make sure it's going to make the point like this. Okay, then you push this around here, okay, and you push this one to around this, and make sure you're going to get this normal cinematic look. And when you're done with this, always just check it before and after. Okay, you can just make it to here, and I'm going to push it a little bit so that I can see how it's going to look. I really prefer this one. So when you get to, just move to the red and just do the same. Okay, you can just make it to like this. So when you move it to this point, you can check it before and after. So when you get to this point, move to the green, and the green here, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to follow the same steps. Okay, so when you move to this side, this is how it's going to be. This is how it's going to be. So the last is the blue. When you push it a little, you can add more. Okay, but I just want to just get this look. Let me just push it a little bit and check it before and after. Okay, as you can see, this is something you need to learn right now. Okay, don't stress the footage too much, don't blast it, like just make it look more cinematic. So this is the techniques I just found, and it's always helping me a lot. And you can just move to the hue and the hue versus hue or hue saturation. Okay, you can just click here and just push it. You can push it down to reduce it, or you can just increase it. Okay, but make sure you just make it look more attractive way. This is how I used to create my footage all the time. Okay, so let's push the yellow. I just want the orange to be more. I don't need the yellow to be more side. So this is how it's gonna be. Or you can use the eyedropper to just check, and it's gonna give you how you're going to get everything on point. Okay, so anytime just check the before and after. This is how it works. And let's see here, hue versus hue. Okay, that's why I said you need to be careful with this. Okay, and when you're done with it, check it before and after. So when you're done with this point, always just try to zoom in, see if there's no faults, there's no mistake. Okay, you can see everything looks natural. Okay, and then you just turn it back and move to the basic correction and just increase the saturation just a little, not too much. Okay, so you can push the green here to the green side. I just want to make it simple so that you can know how it is, and here you push into the temperature, you push a little bit to around this 12.7. okay, so check it before and after, that's it. You can just practice more. We will come in here later and then I will show you how to control this, the color match, and this is something that's very important. You just have to learn, and here is going to teach you a lot of things to control and the skin tone and all. So guys, just a little thing, I just want you to understand and follow it, and I'm gonna drop more videos for you to understand. So see you for the next video. Bye.